Alright, gonna work on doing some cleaning. Just an initial vacuum here. T-top's out too. Got a lower rat hose on there, ready to rip. Got the top heater hose on, putting some fluid in it. It's an old heater core line. We'll get that fixed up. Alright, got that heater core line back on. I didn't notice it until it puked out a bunch of fluid, but yeah, some hose clamps and stuff on there now. She's holding fluid finally. Reservoir all topped off. Got this plug here on the side of the block. It was loose. Tried to tighten it. Doesn't seem to fix it. Had some drips coming down here. Okay, so we didn't have any of the original belts. So what you do is you put a piece of string in here, you thread it over the accessories, and then you measure it. So this one will have 2 belts, and this one will have 1 on the power steering here. So got our strings from the measurement. One's 34 inch, and then we got 51 or 52 inch for both the water pump and the alternator here. So we'll get them ordered up and ready to put on. Timing all locked in and some clips on the throttle. Had the incorrect distributor in it. Yeah, she runs good now. There, all buttoned up. Still waiting on some belts and stuff, but at least we got it timed and the linkages all together and stuff. Alright, we got this trans dust cover here. We're just going to clean it up, give her a coat of paint. Just give it a good wipe down with some solvents here. We get any of the transmission fluid or anything off of it, especially on the inside here. Then just give it a quick sand here, just to knock off anything that's flaky and some overspray and stuff, and we'll hang it up and shoot some primer on it. I'll just give her a good shot of primer here. Sure, she's all coated nice. We'll hit her with some black when it dries. Got a first coat of black on here. Make her nice and smooth. Let her dry for a bit. And we'll hit her again and see what she looks like. Alright, we got our last coat of black on here. Got it flooded out real nice. You know, it's a piece underneath the car, but little details like this, painting or making it better, you know, everything you put on it, you should aim to make it better than it was or better than how you got it. So that'll be it for this episode, but if you like what you're seeing and want to see some more, definitely stay tuned. Blah, blah, blah.